हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल माइंड पोर्टल। आज के इस क्यूज वीडियो में हम मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स के कुछ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे जो आपके अपकमिंग CIL नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम से रिलेटेड है। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। When a manager reaches the section of a marketing plan, he or she will define the mission and marketing and financial objectives. Option 1 business strategy, option 2 operational strategy, option 3 transformation strategy, and option 4 marketing strategy. And the correct answer is option 4 marketing strategy. The marketing plan should open with AN dash. Option 1 situation analysis, option 2 executive summary, option 3 market analysis, and option 4 financial analysis. And the correct answer is option 2 executive summary. A marketing plan does not have to be option 1 simple, option 2 complex and lengthy, option 3 clear, and option 4 hard. And the correct answer is option 2 complex and lengthy. A marketing plan is the collection of specific option 1 products, option 2 service, option 3 markets, and option 4 actions. And the correct answer is option 4 actions. Creating the marketing strategy includes option 1 marketing objective and strategies, option 2 forecast and expected results, option 3 create alternative plans, and option 4 all of the above. And the correct answer is option 4 all of the above. Which of the following remains at the center of any marketing process? Option 1 target consumers, option 2 product, option 3 price, and option 4 promotion. And the correct answer is option 1 target consumers. All of the following would be steps or concern in the process of strategic planning except option 1 defining a clear company's mission, option 2 setting supportive objectives, option 3 designing a sound business portfolio, and option 4 checking to see if an advertising spot had been run in its allotted time slot. And the correct answer is option 4 checking to see if an advertising spot had been run in its allotted time slot. What is not part of marketing plan? Option 1 marketing mix, option 2 demand analysis, option 3 government support, and option 4 competitor analysis. And the correct answer is option 3 government support. Which of the following does not form the basis of a performance indicator for a marketing plan? Option 1 competitor reaction, option 2 contribution to business performance, option 3 marketing effectiveness, and option 4 consumer reaction. And the correct answer is option 1 competitor reaction. The three major considerations in assessing opportunities and resources are environmental scanning, evaluating market opportunities, and option 1 competitive scanning, option 2 environmental analysis, option 3 understanding the firm capabilities, and option 4 opportunity search. And the correct answer is option 3 understanding the firm's capabilities. माइंड पोर्टल ऐप पे CIL नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम के लिए टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अवेलेबल है। टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए हैं। लिंक पे क्लिक करके आप टेस्ट सीरीज और क्लासेस परचेस कर सकते हैं। माइंड पोर्टल के एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन ग्रुप को ज्वाइन करने के लिए नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे मैसेज करें। इस तरह के और क्यूज वीडियो के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें।